Hello and welcome. My name is Adelua Ogundele. I'll be taking us on introduction to macros in Excel as part of the ICNOS Limited 30 days challenge. Today is day 19, so we'll be looking at how to automate your tasks in Excel using macros. So first, what are macros? Macros in Excel are tools that automate repetitive tasks, helping you to work faster and smarter. So, there are some things you do, especially with large data sets or tasks you do often. You can automate it in a way that you wouldn't need to be doing it all the time. That is what we're going to be doing with macros today. So, for us to use macros, we have to enable the developer tab, and that's we'll do by going to File. Then from File, we go to Options. Then we go to Customize Ribbon, and then we check the Developer tab. You can find it here, Developer. Just check and then click OK. Then you have it in your menu. You have the developer in your menu. That is where we are going to what we're going to be using for our macros. Alright, so we've enabled our developer tab from the settings. So next is for us to record a macro. I've got a small table here for practice. So record a macro. So and the first thing is for us to start from the developer and click on record macro. You have it here. So before we start, what are we going to be doing? We're going to highlight the heading, then do some formatting and record it. So let's just go ahead, record a macro. So here you should put a name that would help you remember what the macro is all about. So you shouldn't just type anything anyhow. Um, Here I'm going to put table formatting, alright, and shortcut key. It's optional. Then this workbook. Then you should also describe it um, for so that you can always know what your macro is all about. Okay, so I've started. The first is for me to highlight the headings. I like the headings. Okay, now make it bold. Okay, then centralize it. Okay, then also the ID, I want it centralized. But before that, let's add a background color to the heading. Let's add maybe a light blue. Okay, to the heading. Then we'll centralize this too. We'll centralize everything inside the table. Okay, and what else? Okay, maybe I want the name to be bold. So just bold in all the names. Alright, then I think I'm done with what I want to do. So I'll go back to the developer and then click stop recording. Alright, so now let me undo the stuff I've done already. Then I'll go to my macros, click on it, and click run. Can you see it? Alright, so that's just perfect. Okay, so let me go over what we did again. To run the macro, as I don't have it in on the interface here. So you go to the developer tab after you've recorded your macro, click on macro, select the macros you want to run, and click run, right? And that would do the magic. All right, so that will be um, so that's it. What have we done? We have recorded the macro. We have recorded macros, and we have used it to automate the formatting tags, right, in Excel. Right, there's the advanced level of macro, but this is just the introduction to show you that you can always automate your tasks in Excel using macros. So macros help you to save time by automating these tasks, and you should also remember to save your file as a macro enabled workbook. All right, thank you. See you in day 20.